All right, fellas. So, wanted to talk to you guys today about a different hobby, right? So, a lot of you guys know me from the RC stuff, and most of my channel, it's all it ever was, right? But for like the past year, people have been like peeking on my bench and seeing other shit, right? You know? So, I'm into a whole bunch of hobbies, right? RCing's one of them. You know, guns is another one, street bikes, like I have all kinds of shit I'm into. So, past 2 years, I've been highly dedicated to the RC side of it. It's been fun, you know, I love speed, dude. I mean, who doesn't, really? So, and I'm like an adrenaline junkie for it all, you know, I like all that shit, right? So, this year, things started to slow down a little bit, right? Not necessarily with the hobby, well, that actually, yeah, it did too, but all the, sorry, just hit the button there, but my interest in that kind of stuff has, you know, started to go a little bit as well. Freaking thing keeps tracking me. So, yeah, so I kind of want to talk to you guys about my other side of the hobby, and that's fucking guns and fucking cool man shit. You know what I'm saying? Shit's awesome, right? So I got involved with these tactical shooting classes, and you know, it's real fucking fast paced, fucking close quarter shit. It's awesome, right? So I'm gonna be doing that again this year. So I'm really excited. I bought all my own gear and all this shit for it. It's fucking great. So I kind of wanted to do like a review on the gear I got and where I got it, and you know, maybe some price points, quality of it, all this, that, and the third, right? Sorry, guys. My son's sick. I think I'm getting it. So a little respiratory shit. Out of breath. So yeah. So this year, this winter actually, I've been focusing a lot on my health and, you know, just basically like training, really, like to just get my body right. You know, I felt weak. I didn't feel good anymore, you know, so I had to decide what I wanted to do and step back from the RC hobby and get into more an athletic, you know, because I was so focused with sitting there building cars all the time. It's just, I don't know, you know what I mean? Like, just, you got to do different shit, right? But the moral of the story is, guys been peeking on my bench, and you know, I hear them talking about guns, this, that, and the third. You see my shit laying around, and I just thought it was awesome. I'm like, all right, fucking, you know what I want to do with my channel this year? I'm gonna make it. It's not just gonna be RC. It's gonna be this shit. I'm gonna be fucking stunting on my bike all crazy. I want to get all, you know, fucking GoPro videos of that and shit. You know what I mean? Just all kinds of cool shit. So, yeah. So without further ado, right? This is my rig, right? This is my setup. So, I guess we'll go with the belt. The belt first. This is a speed belt, right? So, you can get these on Amazon, right? So this is like the Velcro belt, right? This actually is a belt. So you put that on, right? And then your speed belt, tactical belt, whatever you want to call it. It's like I don't know if you guys are in construction, you know what I mean? But it's literally like got the oh, that's from fucking holding my gun. So it's literally got the texture of like a tool belt, you know. They're pretty solid, right? So in this one, it's got some mag pouches. It's got a little med kit. This is like a mesh net bag that folds down. I'll show you real quick. And this is a pretty good belt. Like, this is really all you need. You know what I mean? You don't gotta go all fucking crazy with this shit. But you get like a nice mesh belt. You can put like whatever in here. You can drop like shotgun shells, whatever the fuck you want. Just be able to reach into it real quick, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's that. A little fold down sack. I don't use that one, you know what I mean? I don't really have any use for it, to be honest with you. I'm actually probably gonna take it off and put a knife there, you know. I think you get more use out of that than actual just having a bag of nothing there. So this one I use for my gloves and whatnot. So I got this on Amazon, dude. Fucking good belt, bro. Seriously. I got this one on Amazon. I want to say, dude, it was like fucking $40 maybe. So Velcro, that's why you got your little Velcro belt on. Yeah, man. Slap her on there. Boom. Clip it in. Wow. Just like that. This one's a little looser. Now I gotta tighten it. Like I said, your boy lost a little weight this year, you know? So this way you got your speed belt. You know what I mean? Just want to do pistol shooting. Fucking got extra mags here. You can even put your pistol mags in here too. So it's got both, you know? It's a nice belt. Fucking dude does the job. It's really all you need. You know? Anything else, you're just, I don't know, watching too many fucking movies or something. But speed belt, good to go, right? So next, I wanted to show you guys fucking Armor Republic, dude. They've got, let's see, here's the brand right here. Armor Republic, right? Dude, these guys sell level 3 armor, which is like got a 7.62, like basically, I'm gonna break this down for the guys that don't know. It goes by how can I explain this? All right, put it this way. So it goes by feet per second, right? And a 7.62 round, which is like an AK round, usually is on the lower side of like 23, 2,500 feet per second, I want to say. And this is rated for 3,000 foot per second. So 308, 7.62, 5.56, and 203. I mean, 220. Fuck, 223. Sorry. Wait a second. I'm like, can't catch my breath. So what that means is it'll stop an AK round, stop an AR round, stop a 308 round, which is a fucking goddamn big ass bullet, and only subsonic ammunition like the 5.56 and the 223. Like if I was right here, it's got a chance of going through. But you know, if you're at normal shooting distances, which hopefully you ain't that fucking close to somebody if you're shooting at them, you know what I mean? Like you really don't want to be that fucking close. So yeah, you know, if you were right up on somebody and fucking point blank like this, there's a chance it could go through. That's like just your subsonic, like, you know, AR ammunition. And AK, it's stopping it. Right here, it's stopping it. Which is fucking amazing. So, you know what? So this is a 223. You know, this is the little bullet that could penetrate that close range. I don't have a, might have a spent shell, yeah. So I don't know if you could see the size difference here, but this is an AK round. This is 7.62 NATO round. This is a decent sized fucking piece of fucking metal. A lot bigger than this per se, you know. So it's stopping that, which is awesome, right? So this fucking joint, this is a good vest, dude. Oh yeah, look, had to rock the full effect. Shooting guns, spreading buns, you know what I'm saying? Fuck they talking about. So this is Armor Republic's gear right here. This is called the alarm clock kit, you know what I mean? Fucking the same joint that wake up Maduro over there in Latin America. You know what I mean? So that's why they call it the alarm clock. But it's a quick release. So basically, right here on either side of it, once you get like, you slap it on for the first time. Normally you always lift that up like this right here. Like this will peel up. And then you get two Velcro sides, you go floop, floop, and then you drop the flat back down, right? You got your plates. I don't know if you can hear them there, big metal plates. Maybe I'll snatch one out a little bit, but 1/2-inch plates. I think they're 1/2 inch, pretty fucking big. Yeah, these are quick release, right? So you just pull this, boop, like that. Whole thing opens up, right? Come over here, boop. Open that, right? Then you just fucking, you're good to go, right? Slap it on from there, right? So, basically, we'll talk about this too. You can get these on Amazon. These are full fucking rig stands, right? So, this thing's pretty heavy. We're talking probably weighing a solid, I don't know, maybe 30 pounds with the front and the back plate. You know, it's definitely pretty fucking heavy, for sure. But What would you rather be? Fucking alive or fucking getting your exercise on and getting your weight up, right? Getting your fucking strength. So, bam. So, boom. So, big and hollow. There you go. You see that? Hear that plate? Nice solid plates, dude. Front and back. So, this is the Armor Republic gear. Dude, fucking super solid gear right here. I was even thinking about snatching buying an extra level 3 plate, put it in my kid's book bag. Dad, why's my shit so heavy? Don't worry about it, son. You'll never get shot in the back of these fucking crazy schools, though. You know what I mean? So, yeah, this is fucking the gear, tactical belt, fully loaded, dude. You're fucking, you know what I mean? Ready for fucking whatever, right? So, lately, you guys have been seeing on my bench, if you've been like following my videos, I had an AR that I've been working on for a while, right? And the whole reason I was working on this motherfucker was to match my gear. So, without further ado, this joint's complete. Check this motherfucker out, right? What? Yo, how you got the matching AR for your gear, dude? So, fucking look. Gold bolt carrier, gold charging handle, all OD green, fucking, you know what I'm saying? Got the Hollow Sun 510 combo, you know what I mean? So you get the reflex and you get the magnifier, but if you know what I mean, you don't want to be at the distance, boom, roll the magnifier out the way and you can still get busy. See that? There's a crosshair in there. But yeah, sweet fucking rig. Finally finished it up on a pressure sensor. So basically, you got your thumb right here. See these buttons? Bam. So when I grab it and I'm comfortable, I can just hit the button with my thumb. Bloop. And then get busy. So for all my fucking men out there who fucking, you know what I'm saying, about that shit, this is definitely a fucking cool setup I got ready for this season. Well, this year, I guess I should say, dealing with these classes and shit. But yeah, check it out, right? Quick release, like I was telling you. Bloop. Oh, and grab the bag. The quick release. You know what I'm saying? So pretty easy to get it on and off. I should weigh it so you can actually know the weight of it, but oh yeah, so I should talk about what was on it actually. It's got a bag, like, you know, you can put your gloves and shit in there. So I have my radios charging right now, but this is a radio pouch for right now. I just threw my tourniquet in there, but I took out extra mags just so I could keep my tourniquet in there. It holds 3, and well, 4 if you want to use your radio pouch. It fits, you know what I mean? So you could hold 4 mags in that, but it's not necessary really. So I'll leave my radio over there, snatch one of these out, and just leave a tourniquet in there. It's better, you know what I mean? See. So that's that. But now this stand's hard as shit, right? So it holds all your fucking gear. So basically, snap these back on. Boom. Right. Boom. Take the belt off. Right now, I'm just gonna snatch this one off. Right? So you got it like that. Boom. Get your belt. Wrap it around the hip part. Snug it up. Grab your actual belt. Sit it. Just like how you're gonna put it on your waist. You know what I mean? Boom. Good to go. Hold your belt, holds all that shit, right? Then, for you're done, right? It's like this is an all-in-one setup. That's what I'm saying. Really wanted to show you guys this setup for, like, I know half you motherfuckers are on the same type of time, you know. So this is like a real good setup. But see these little pegs right here? I don't know if you can see them. Let me see. So right here, there's a peg on each corner, right? And that peg is for the muzzle, right? Boom. So you put your muzzle, you put your gun in there. Comes with a little roll of Velcro. You set it up however you want. But feed that right through. And set up, you know? So if you got your fucking ballistics helmets or your fucking helmet, you can drop your helmet on there on top, good to go. I don't like fucking, I read a helmet, man. I ain't buying a fucking $1,800 ballistic. You got me fucked up. That shit's expensive enough, you know? But let's say, oh, Armor Republic right now, dude, that joint's on sale. So I think when I got mine, I want to say like after all the attachments and all, it was about 800. But I think you can get them right now for about 450, something like that, with the plates, and you can get them upgraded to like frag plates too. So I don't think you don't need, you know, you ain't fucking in an area where you're catching hand grenades, you know what I mean? But you know, fucking shit's really fucked up out there right now, honestly. I mean, it's a sad thing to say, but like, dude, fuck it, I think civilians, you know, I think that every fucking man should have some shit like that. Like, I'm not saying that like anything bad is gonna happen or something like that, but like, yo, be fucking prepared for whatever, for real, and fucking know what to do with it, you know? I mean, you keep that to yourself. It's not like, you know, not much you can do with it. Out fucking maybe work a security job or fucking, you know, yeah, definitely. You could work fucking security job. You could do fucking, you know, the trucks, you know what I mean, for banks, fucking blah, 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 blah. You can do that kind of work. It's great to have that kind of training for that. But, like, I don't know, man. A lot of these other countries, like, all their men fucking are, like, pushed into that shit, like, mandatory, you know? And I think that's a good thing, seriously. But, you know, enough about that. It is what it is. So, yeah, I wanted to show you guys that fucking rig. Armor Republic for the chest carrier, chest plates, carrier plates, and armor, and your belt you can get on Amazon. Dude, it's like, I don't know, I want to say like $40 or something. The phone's right there, so I can't look. But, yeah, and then you just throw your fucking setup on there, whatever you got, and good to go. So, yeah, that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you that. It's for all my fucking homeboys out there that have been peeping all the gun shit. I mean, dropping comments. So, this is for y'all, guys. Alright, take it easy.